Welcome to 1213 N Street Northwest, located in the Logan Circle neighborhood in Washington, D.C. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium. It's a loft-style, and it's 1,700 square feet. The upper floor has a bedroom that overlooks the living room. A lot of windows for natural light. And a full bathroom with jacuzzi tub, standalone shower. The ground level has a second bedroom and a full bath in the hallway. It also features an open style kitchen with pendant hood, gas range, and granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The living room features a surround sound system, gas fireplace, and an outdoor patio great for entertaining.